Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. Good evening. I want to help this kid asking the question, change 3/4 and 3/6 to similar fractions. We may rewrite this question 3/4 and 3/6. Obviously, they are called dissimilar fractions because they have different denominators. So it is important that we know how to change this into similar fractions. How to change this one to similar fractions? We can apply a lot of method in answering this. Suggesting is to do continuous division. We may use this one in finding the LCD of our given fractions. Going to write 4 and then 6. What number can we divide both 4 and 6? That's 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Do we still have a number that can divide both 2 and 3 except for 1? I think there's none. So it means our LCD will be the numbers inside this letter L. So we'll just multiply that. That's 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 12. So our LCD is 12. In changing, we can write 12 already in here and then 12 in here. Let's have this. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Next, 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 times 3 is equal to 6. We already changed it to similar fractions. That 9 12s and 6 12s. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!